What's going on, family? I want to check in with you for a second. Sitting out here, it's been one of them long days. Had a service call, and I've been doing some personal stuff myself as far as working around the house. I got some of my favorite salmon on the grill. Got it jumping. I ain't gonna give you my recipe. You might steal it and sell it or something. Anyways, man, I just wanted to say something, man. I was just thinking, someone asked me about investing and what I have invested and have I invested enough, you know? Man, you know what? Sometimes I have even thought to myself that I have invested too much, you know what I mean? Like, I have had moments where, you know, I was about to honestly throw in the towel and I'm like, man, fuck it, you know what I mean? But I knew that when someone else came to me and they seen the pureness in it, they seen the message in it, they seen the importance of it, and they was like, nah, hold on, keep doing it. But I just wanted to say, just for the record, I did invest $5 grand, pretty much that's what it was, give or take, into my first project, into the videos, into the EP studio time. And if I would have did it properly the first time, I honestly would have got a whole lot more out of it. But the only thing that I didn't do right was market it and network it properly. So, but when you make a classic record, it never dies. So you can always put it back, you know, out there and say, hey, and people are like, hey, I can put this in this movie, or hey, I can throw this in this, or hey, man, they really like this in the club. They never heard this. So if you got something authentic, you know, stand on it. And someone asked me why I went to welding. I mean, welding is something that I learned in prison that my mom gave me before she passed. She really gave me the idea to be a welder. So I just hold on to it and took it and, you know, took off running with it. And when I got out, I was able to do some amazing things with it. And honestly, since I've been in Phoenix, I've been independent. And I done did well. And I'll be here 2 years. I'm going on 2 years. So it haven't been 2 years yet, but I'm rocking on 2 years in January. So I think like the end of January, I'll be here 2 years. End of January, the beginning of February. So I'll be here 2 years. So I'm right at it. And since I've been here, man, you know, I'd had my ups and downs, but I've been eating, I've been maintaining it. You know what I mean? I done seen things from a different side. So I know you have to network. And sometimes, you know, I didn't even seen people who, once they see your spirit and your go-getter nature, you know, they'll get it twisted as if, you know, I don't know, as if they think that you're trying to get something from them versus, you know, I have something to offer too, so we both can benefit one another. That's the way I look at it. But I was always taught, you know what I mean, every man should stand on his own. So I learned how to hustle, grind on my own, so that way I can have something to bring to the plate. You know what I mean? And I remember, you know, growing up, one thing that some of my OGs respected about me, and some of the ones who put me in a nice position, they liked how I was able to hustle. It was like, man, he'll go get it. I'll figure out a way. You know what I mean? It wasn't, no, it's not going to happen. I'm going to find a way to make it happen. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Hold on.